Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi and I'm going to be showing you how to apply or create a glow effect. Alright, so at the end of the tutorial you should be able to achieve something like this. Okay, now this I'm going to be showing you two steps that you can create a glow effect. Okay, and let's just jump right into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to the element section and type neon ring. So you're going to search for neon ring. There's a whole lot of options here. We have the ones that already have the glow effect on it. Okay, so we already have this, and we cannot use this because this is not the particular ring that I'm looking for, and this is already a finished product. So, and you can't even change the colors of this one. Okay, so it's just there, you can't change it. This is just there, you can't change it, and this is not the particular ring I am looking for. Now let's just go down, scroll down. Hopefully we're gonna get the one that we are looking for. Where are you? Where are you, Mr. Ring? Okay, this is the particular ring I am looking for. Now as you can see, we can change the color of this ring. So I can just click on it and change it. Now, since we're trying to achieve a glow effect, we cannot use a light background. It doesn't make sense. So I'm going to change this background to a black. Okay, now we have this. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download this. Okay, you're going to download it as um, a transparent PNG. Okay, transparent PNG file. So it's number 2. Now, I already have the image downloaded, so no need for me to download it again. I've downloaded it like 2 times, okay, so I don't need to download it again. But you can download it as a transparent PNG file, okay? And if you don't have a pro account, you will not be able to achieve this on Canva. You need to download this image separately and then go to remove.bg or any external background removal tool and remove the background, then upload it back into Canva, because as it is like this, as an element, we cannot achieve what we want to achieve. Right, so let's just jump right into it. So this one is right here. Now the one I already downloaded as a PNG file, it's here, so you can see. Now step the first step will be to go to edit image and just increase the blur of this one. Increase the blur and then bring it here. Bring it here. Just make sure it's at the edge of this. Where are you? Okay, so this is it. Just increase the blur. So as you can see, we have that glow effect on this particular ring. But this, I actually prefer the second method than this first one I just showed you now. Okay, I actually prefer the second method. Okay, let's just jump right into the second method. Now I'm going to return this particular effect back to the initial stage. Okay, so this is the initial stage. So we don't need this for the second effect, but just in case it misbehaves, let me just duplicate it. So I'm going to click on edit image, go to shadows, go to glow effects, and I'm going to click on glow again and change this. First of all, you're going to change this color from black to a lighter color like this. Then increase the blur. Increase the blur. Blur, are you increasing? Increase the size. Yep. Woo-hoo-hoo. Increase the transparency. No, reduce transparency. Come on. Come on. Come on. Or maybe I'm going to just reduce the blur. No, blur is essential. I need to increase the blur. Blur must be increased. So as you can see, you can't tell me you're not seeing this. So something like this. Then you click on are we satisfied? Let me just increase this to see. Okay, yes. Come on, you can see it. So I'm going to reduce the size. Just no, increase it, increase it, increase it, increase it. So we can all see the glow effects. I'm going to click on apply and apply. Come on. And then take this back to fit. So we have a glow effect. Now, why this particular element it's good is because now this is a neon color. Okay, we can use a lemon or just search for neon. Let's say see okay, so I want to change this color neon. These are all colors that you can use to get a neon effect. You can use this. You can try others, but this, as you can see, and they already gave us the particular colors we can use. So you can just select any of that, and you can change it. You can change this one to this, 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 and then do the same thing. Okay, the same thing I did for this particular one. You can do the same thing, and yep, you can do the same thing for this. So that's that. Now let me just show you how I did this. So yep, so I'm going to delete this one and delete this one. I'm going to increase this, okay, here, duplicate this here. See, it's even brighter. Duplicate this here, duplicate this here. So this is what we have. Well, nice, too bright, it's too bright. Let's just reduce it a bit. Now the image of this model. So our beautiful model all the way to the back. Our beautiful model. So what I did was I applied black blood to cover this cutout part with the graphics, and click on this, change it out to black. Say black, come on, black, black, and black, and then bring it down here, increase it. Oops, a bit, covering this. Please, you're affecting my blow. So what I'm gonna do, just to make sure that this, I'm just gonna reduce this. Okay, so come over here, cover this. Seems I'm missing something, and I need to get that before proceeding. Okay, you're gonna come down here. I think this neon is too. Please bear with me. I'm trying to make sure I get it right. So, okay, now I can cover this. Cover the spots. Okay, I'm gonna lock this and then unlock this, duplicate this, make sure it's number one. Duplicate this, bring it here. What am I doing? So sorry. I'm gonna get this. Okay, then crop this part. Okay, we have the first one. Second one, duplicate this, bring it here, make sure it's in the middle, then crop this part out. Yep, and then the third one, duplicate this, make sure it's bring it third one and bring this part here. Okay, the glow effect. So this was how I achieved that particular design. So I believe by now you should know how to create a glow effect. I'm sorry I didn't do justice to how I positioned the image inside like I did this. Okay, but the major thing is you now know how to create a glow effect. So you can try this with different colors. Okay, you can try it with different colors and I would like to see your results. So thank you guys, and it's almost 12 minutes, so I don't want to take much of your time. I'm going to stop here, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be sharing more tutorials soon. All right, bye bye, and stay blessed.